fire you. I won't fire me, make I fire you. It's a lie. This is a lie.
Wonderful, 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 wonderful.
Wake.
Ukono, my old friend.
Could this be you I am saying or your ghost?
I know you are not talking.
Hey!
The Shinab is talking. But be it as it may.
Oh,
No!
Oh.
It is not me. It is you who has gone into transmogrification state. As a matter of fact, it is not me. It is not me, erudite barrister legal luminary Ignatius Weke.
Bowam! This is wonderful. So, Weke, you can now speak grammatical and it is good in your tongue.
Before I left the shores of this country to visit Buckingham Palace, where I had a good meeting with Queen Elizabeth, I thought we reported to the company that does Shinab to come down with alcoholic metabolism, powerful papari. What is happening? Look at you. Well, let me tell you, my medulla oblongata is higher than your own now, and even before I left the shores of this country, even when I was an inhabitant of this habitat and among other Homo sapiens, my medulla oblongata has always been higher than yours.
This grammar is Quincy. This is a Quincy grammatical. Now, change the condition of the grammar. Make it more understandable to me.
Let me tell you, I speak good English now because I am a legal luminary.
I can see.
I speak good English because I am an erudite. I speak good English because I studied in Harvard University, where Queen Elizabeth was congratulating me and exchanging pleasantry. To your greatest dismay in this village, I have come to erect a powerful and standard chamber.
This one is out of it. This is China from the position of your tongue. This one is China, the way you position your tongue. Habitat. But look, where are you going from here? Why not take me to one you watch and feed me with more liquor now that we are finally back?
It will be an offense on Professor Barrister Legal Luminary Ignatius Weke to add extra bottle to your state of liquefied mystic state of being. Means that you should go and take a comfortable room in a dungeon. As it is, I rest my case.
This is wonderful, Igina. Weke. Listen.
Let me tell you, next time, if you want to address me, before you, I told you, I am an erudite. But let me not blame you now because you're under the influence of alcohol. Some minutes ago, I told you all my names. I am erudite, professor, legal luminary barrister, Ignatius Weke. Why are you calling me Weke? What about other names? What about other my titles? Are you taking them away? Don't you ever address me without my titles. In Ania, even Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace addresses me by that manner. Who are you? Respect yourself.
I see. This is wonderful. Look, Weke. Whether you speak all the grammar you like in this world, you must get me that, Shana. I must come to one who was this place to get the Shana. Whether you like it or not. Hey! This is awesome. Ignatius cannot speak grammar, and it is good in his tongue. This is awesome. Hey! People should come and hear fire. This grammar is very awesome. Ignatius, I am coming to one who works for my equal. Don't forget.
Enuma, money you now. Enuma, leave me alone. Now look at this guy. Enuma, leave me alone. Now come, shut up your mouth. I don't want to fight you. No, Katoko ya dear. Hold it there. See you. The Wugilu Tata. Enuma, now back where? See. Enuma, money you. I don't want to fight you. Enuma, leave me alone. Look at this idiot. Enuma, money you. Come, respect yourself. I'm going to face both of you now. Now, come and get away you. See, Enuma, money. Shut up. See, for the counting of one. Enuma, leave my phone. Come and get away you. Can't leave my phone. Now, come and get away you. Enuma, money you. Leave it up.
Oh my God.
No,
thou shalt not kill. What a consanguineous vibe indeed. What?
Uju, Biko, what is Vivendi? Amam, come, this man, who even brought into this case, sir?
Who invited me to this case?
Yes.
Look, my names are, in case you don't know, my names are Barrister, Erudite, Professor Ignatius Nweke. I just arrived this terrain and seeing you beautiful, eloquent and venacious girls, damsels for that matter, fighting, beats my imagination. I said no, as a legal luminary, I need to attend to this case and know what is wrong and what is right. You don't have to fight. But what are your nomenclatures? I understand that sign. I know that sign. Well, let me come down to your own understanding. To a layman English, I mean to say, what are your names?
Nazuzewe.
Oh, that is your name, Zuzewe.
Okay. You! Stupid people, useless bunch of people.
I remember this statue in England when I went to visit Queen Elizabeth. In the training ground, I saw a feminine who is as exactly as you are, and she was transformed into a male. This is that. Now let me tell you, pretty themselves like in African.
Where have you come from? I sent you out since to collect cassava stem. In Abataki, I can't run. Hey. Now this woman, leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. I'm very, very tired. I need to rest. Leave me alone. What is it, sir? Chiankwa, is it me you're talking to? Hey, nah, don't bother. I'm talking to you. Nah, this switch, leave me alone, no. Emma. Oh. I'm going to step where Dada. So what do you?
My, oh my. Who is in this edifice? Do we have vertebrates dwelling in this terrain? Or am I just verbalizing? I mean to say, who the heck is in this abode? Whom am I seeing? Mine, oh mine, oh mine. Is this you? Yes, old papa. It is me, flesh and blood. It is a sardonic and opprobrious moment to see your faces once again. Let me ask, who is this small boy?
Biko. I know you've left this country for a long time. I mean, calm down with this your grammar so that at least we can understand you. Please.
Well, I should have thought of this. I should have known that attending academia is an impediment to people of this geographical hemisphere.
Oh.
That is to say, let me come down to your level. What I was saying was, who is this small boy?
Oh, this is my son now, Chetemna.
Wait. Oh my, oh my. The juvenile that I saw before I left the shores of this country has grown into a big boy.
Exactly. That is to show you that you have left this country for a long time.
This is wonderful. Look at this Ngongo na Ngongo looking so hilarious.
Thank you.
By the way, what is your nomenclature?
I don't understand.
It's all right. I mean to say, what are you called?
Okay. My name is Chetanda.
Chetanda. What an opprobrium. What? Look, Papa, do you know when I was walking into this place, I was expecting to see an old man walking with his walking stick, even an old woman. Oh, look at you, bouncing. It's me.
Hey! You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Welcome back to the village.
It's my pleasure.
Enough of this grammar. Let's go inside. At least welcome you and give you some food to eat. Come inside.
This is very palatable. Yeah, it's very, very palatable. Even when I visited Queen Elizabeth, this was the first thing she did. Offered me something. Oh my man, oh my God. Oh, this is wonderful.
You know, why is it that your mother doesn't like me?
Who said she doesn't like you?
I know, and I think it's high time I stop associating with you.
Here. Afan, my nigga, don't say that now. No, don't say that now.
I will say it too. Because your mother thinks I'm the one spoiling you. Whereas I've warned you, I've talked to you to stop all this character, but you never listen to me.
Okay, see, I promise I'm going to stop fighting.
You will change. You that I've advised 100 times and you never listen to me.
Afam.
After now you go back and do the worst.
No! Me? Afam, I swear I will not fight with anybody in this village. Trust me now. Believe me.
Are you sure?
I swear.
Touch the sand.
Right.
No, touch this.
I'm sorry, don't trust me.
Touch it. Don't do it.
I swear to God. Afam, sing that song you sang for me the other day in my house. I like it.
Numa, I'm not in the mood now to sing any song, please. I'm not just in the mood.
Afam, it's not fair. Sing now.
Okay, tomorrow. I'll sing for you tomorrow. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, cross your heart.